Learn with Jingle Kids.
Hello friends, welcome back to Alphabet Adventure. This is episode 2 of letter G. Last time we learned G is for goat, G is for gold, G is for gift, G is for girl, and G is for guitar. Today we are going to learn few more words starting with the letter G. Let's start. G is for gloves. Can you say this with me? G for gloves. G for gloves. G is for garden. Let's say this together. G for garden. G for garden. G is for giraffe. Can we say this together? G for giraffe. G for giraffe. G is for giant. Let's say this together. G for giant. G for giant. G is for globe. Let's say this together. G for globe. G for globe. G is for garage. Can we say this together? G for garage. G for garage. Well done. G is for groom. Let's repeat. G for groom. G for groom. G is for goal. Let's repeat. G for goal. G for goal. G is for glue. Shall we say this together? G for glue. G for glue. Very nice. G is for grocery. Let's repeat. G for grocery. G for grocery. G for grocery. G for greet. Let's say it together. G for greet. G for greet. G for galaxy. Shall we say this together? G for galaxy. G for galaxy. G for golf. Let's repeat. G for golf. G for golf. G for ginger. Let's say this together. G for ginger. G for ginger. G for garlic. Let's repeat. G for garlic. G for garlic. G is for gecko. Shall we say this together? G for gecko. G for gecko. Let's play a scavenger hunt now. Find something in your house that starts with the letter G. It could be a garland, a garbage bin, or a grater, Go and find one. Time's up. Great job, friends. See you next time for more alphabet fun. Till then, bye.